Ladies and gentlemen, time is the most precious resources we have. Make money or material possessions, time is finite. Once it's gone, we can never reclaim it. This is why how we spend our time matters. It shapes not only who we are but also the impact we leave behind. The power of a comeback. Vinci Lombardi said, "It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. Every setback you face is a setup for a comeback." The path to success is not linear, and every obstacle you encounter shapes your character. Remember, it is in the moments of difficulty that we discover who we truly are. But living a life of service does not mean sacrificing our personal growth. Growth and self discovery go hand in hand with giving back. Every new skill you learn, every book you read, every challenge you overcome adds value not just to your life but to the lives of those around you. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, advised us you could live life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. These words may seem daunting, but they are an invitation to live with purpose. None of us knows how much time we have, so it's essential to make every moment count. What if today were your last day? Would you spend it arguing over trivial matters, scrolling endlessly through social media, or holding on to grudges? Or would you spend it creating something meaningful, expressing and connecting with those who matter most? Another powerful reminder comes from Winston Churchill, who said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." These words speak to the reality of life, that it's not about winning every battle or avoiding every setback. It's about persistence, it's about showing up even when things are tough. Every failure is not opportunity to learn. Every success is a stepping stone, not the finish line. What matters is the courage to keep moving forward, no matter the obstacles. As we navigate through life, it's easy to fall into the trap of busyness. But being busy does not always mean being productive. Ask yourself, am I spending my time on what truly matters? The answer often lies in alignment with your values. If family is your priority, spend time with them. If health is your focus, invest in it. If making a difference is your goal, act on it. In our world of distractions, this can be challenging. Technology, while a powerful tool, often pulls us away from what matters most. Set boundaries, dedicate time to things that nurture your spirit, whether it's reading, meditating, pursuing a passion, or simply being present with loved ones. Time also teaches us the value of forgiveness. Holding on to anger or resentment consumes time and energy without bringing peace. As the saying goes, holding a grudge is like drinking poison and waiting for the other person to die. Letting go allows us to redirect our time and energy toward joy and reconciliation. Life is too short to spend it burdened by negativity. Lastly, remember the importance of gratitude. Each day is a gift, and even in difficult moments, there is something to be thankful for. Gratitude shifts our perspective, helping us see not what we lack, but what we have. It reminds us that every sunrise is an opportunity to start anew. Every conversation is a chance to connect, and every challenge is an opportunity to grow. So, as you move forward, think about how you are spending your time. Are you using it to create, to grow, to give, or to love? Or are you letting it slip away on things that do not matter in the grand scheme of life? Make conscious choices, pursue your passions, build relationships, serve others, and above all, live with intention. As Marcus Aurelius said, when you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege